Cactus under there.
Might get.
That road's going to be bloody icy too. Maybe if you go left on that road.
They're just doing the grassy.
It's going to be slippery though. Probably it's just going to lock up.
I'm going to put it on that side. This side.
The left side.
Yeah, I'll just go to that one there.
Yeah, I don't think you'll. I don't reckon you get it cranking over on the grass. But if you go left down that little side street. Foot up. Radio.
Yeah, we'll go around this corner, Dave. I'm going to put you on the. You'll put on your brake side. And just.
Radio. So go left around that side
wrong
street.
Direction. It's telling me I'm going. This is the new one.
It already knows.
Yeah.
5 degrees. So yeah, if you go left down that side street, probably more grip. Got another metre. Nearly there. That's it. No, Fuji's bike wouldn't start, so they had to do a tow start.
Oh, mine. You got my message?
Oh, really? No.
I'll send you a message just privately, mate.
Yep.
I'm so fucking hot now.
Good.
Got all the gear on.
Take it easy.
Going.
The road's probably be icy, so
we're going to take it real easy.
Yeah.
If we start going up there and it's just too rough, we'll just say, righto, everyone go the adventure route.
Yep. Cool. Rightio. So the Ducati tow service in action again. Rightio.
Maschine.